How's your life in Nishikasai?
Excellent, very nice. I love it.
बहुत सारे इंडियन लोग निशिकासाई में रहते हैं ऐसा क्यों? Do you interact with Japanese people as well?
But the language is a big barrier.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं निशिकासाई में आया हूँ। निशिकासाई टोक्यो में है और यहाँ 3000 इंडियन लोग रहते हैं जिसे लिटिल इंडिया भी कहा जाता है। आज मैं यहाँ इंडियन लोगों से पूछ रहा हूँ कि वो जापान में क्या करते हैं और निशिकासाई में उनकी लाइफ कैसी है। चलो शुरू करते हैं। Could you introduce your background?
I was born in Karnataka in Bangalore and I'm 16 years old and I've been living in Japan for I think 14 years now.
और अभी जापान में क्या करते हैं?
मैं जापान में पढ़ रहा हूँ.
तो इंटरनेशनल हाई स्कूल जाते हैं.
हाँ.
What do your parents do here?
My mother, she works in finance and accounting and my father is an IT engineer.
I am working professional. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am in Japan since 2 years.
Which state are you from?
I am from Maharashtra, Pune.
कब से जापान में हो?
I am in Japan currently for last 1 year. And I was there in Japan from 2004 till 2011 till the tsunami happened.
Okay.
Then I returned to India. Now again I returned in last year.
और जापान में क्या करते हैं?
I teach organization behavior in Temple University. Yeah,
Okay.
it's an American university. They run different classes.
So, which state are you from?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar
India.
अब कब से जापान में हो?
I'm from 2015.
2015. Okay, so quite long time.
Yeah.
Maybe
Earlier,
9 साल हो
earlier
गए.
in Osaka and then in 2018 Tokyo.
ठीक है. तो जापान में क्या करते हैं?
मैं teaching Global Indian International School. So I work there.
अच्छा. क्या पढ़ाती हैं?
Till grade 2, all the subjects.
Hmm.
So, kindergarten from grade 2, any class.
यहाँ काम कैसे ढूंढा?
Because I'm a doctorate in organization behavior from business school, so I started finding the jobs in the business schools. And Japan has a very few business schools, only 2-3. So I just applied to them. I found in one.
Indian stores are there. Mostly बहुत सारे Indians रहते हैं इधर. सब एक साथ festivals मनाते हैं, एक साथ enjoy करते हैं, party करते हैं. Nishikasai is most popular.
Okay.
If someone comes from India, so first choice is for Nishikasai only. Like we would to stay in Nishikasai.
Nishikasai is great place. यहाँ पे बहुत से इंडियंस रहते हैं. इंडियन खाना मिलता है, इंडियन होटल्स हैं. आपको ऐसा ही लगता है कि इंडिया में ही है जैसा लगता है.
Because there are Indian schools for children, it becomes easy to walk. That's why many people come to Nishikasai. And because now many Indians are staying in Nishikasai, there is Indian restaurants here, there are Indian grocery shops here, so we find it easy here. There are nice parks here, you can have nice walkways, we have superstore just walking by, station is very nearby, so I just love it.
सब मिलते हैं मतलब इंडियन खाना, इंडियन ingredients.
Yeah,
इंडिया के जैसे.
Not all, but most of things we are available here.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वेरी पीसफुल लाइफ यहाँ पे. ग्रीनरी बहुत है. वेरी गुड पीपल. वेरी आपको यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी भी ज़्यादा रखता है.
बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अलग है. और
क्या अच्छा है?
पहले मैं ओसाका थी तो इतना एंजॉय कुछ नहीं था. लाइफ बहुत ही बोरिंग थी. बाकी इधर काफी अच्छा है. सब मिलते हैं, जुलते हैं. एवरी वीकेंड पार्टी, घूमना फिरना रहता है. सब साथ में रहते हैं. अगर बोर भी होता है तो कोई ना कोई मिल ही जाता है.
It's really convenient because like many Indian people live here and we also have many Indian stores and there's also many schools nearby and the people are also like very nice and inviting and it's in general really convenient and it's really clean as well. And I like Nishikasai because everything you want is nearby. Like you have supermarkets, malls, theaters, shopping centers, everything you want is here.
क्या आप जापान में आने वाले इंडियन लोगों को निशिकासाई में रहना रिकमेंड करते हैं?
Yes, very much.
Okay.
Very much.
100%.
Because it's easy for them to get adjusted with the Japan. Then once they know the place, they can go to the other place.
Definitely yes, because here you'll be accepted really easily. Many Indian people are already here, so it won't be that hard to fit in. And like a few years back, one of the government representatives of this area was also Indian, so it's slowly changing.
बहुत ज़्यादा. हाँ,
Okay.
आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा इधर. इंडियंस मिलेंगे. कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए तुरंत कोई ना कोई रहता है हेल्प के लिए. So it's good for them.
Okay.
अगर कोई नया anyone new is here, so it's good to shift in Nishikasai.
आपके पास जापानी लोगों के साथ भी इंटरेक्शन ज्यादा है?
Interaction है, थोड़ा बहुत है. तो मेरे कुछ friends हैं, they know English, so communication is easy with them. My husband is working, so he also has Japanese friends, but same, they know English, so that's only that.
Do you interact with Japanese people as well in Tokyo?
I want to because I'm not fluent in Japanese and many Japanese are not fluent in English. It becomes difficult. But I would love to interact with many Japanese people. If you call me at your home, I will come.
Okay.
And you can come at my home.
That'd be great.
I'll make Indian tea for you.
Oh, that's great. I really love Indian chai.
Come.
Yeah.
A lot. Like personally, I go to many Japanese clubs. I play football and volleyball in Japanese associations, so I do have to interact with Japanese people, and I also picked up Japanese as a result of that. Like also the people are very nice, so it's not that hard to like mess up interaction with other people.
मेरा ऑफिस में जापानीज लोग हैं, so they speak English actually.
आपको जापानी भी आती है?
जापानी सीख रहा हूँ मैं अभी, आई एम बिगिनर.
जापान में आने वाले इंडियन लोगों के लिए कोई टिप्स है?
Yeah, if they can learn Japanese by the time they come here, that will be very, very useful.
How useful is it? Like मतलब काम के लिए जापानी
No.
नहीं चाहिए? तो
काम
भी
के लिए नहीं,
Mm-mm.
काम के लिए नहीं, but no, to enjoy the local life,
Mm.
speak with the local people, it's very useful. But काम के लिए I don't think it's required.
Mm. Depends on the काम, right?
It depends on the work that you work.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ありがとうございました。
इन लोगों के लिए अच्छे से है, कोई यहाँ दिक्कत नहीं है, सेफ्टी बहुत है, सिक्योरिटी है, आपको कभी कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी. लगता है कि जापान में लैंग्वेज बैरियर है, वो भी नहीं है. If you know English and people are very kind, supportive, so it's good.
Okay. So you're really enjoying Nishikasai
I love
life.
Nishikasai, I love Japan.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you for your
so
time.
much.
Thank you.
So tips is probably that keep an open mind. As soon as you come here, many things are going to be different. Like in India, it's like really noisy and people are more active. But here, everything is silent and it's very down low. So the cultural shock is going to be there. But the people are really nice, like I've mentioned before. And it's pretty hard to get lost because people always direct you in nice and friendly ways. And the main tip is like be prepared for the changes you will see when you come from India to Japan. And language is also going to be a barrier because I feel like not many Japanese people can speak English.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
तो अगर आप जापान को आ रहे हैं तो जापानी बात करना सीख के आओ, एटलीस्ट सम बेसिक्स, हाउ टू से हाय हेलो, क्या तो पूछना है. तो ट्रांसलेटर्स भी ला लो, ट्रांसलेटर से ही काम चलेगा. बट स्टिल थोड़े बहुत से कम लोगों को इंग्लिश बात करते हैं, सो मोस्ट ऑफ देम प्रेफर टू स्पीक इन जापानीज. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एटलीस्ट सम बेसिक्स ऑफ जापानीज बिफोर कमिंग टू टोक्यो.
Thank you so much. ありがとうございました。
आरिगातो गोजाइमासु.
आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा? अगर अच्छा लगता है तो जरूर लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे. बाय.